So a great place to learn the different sounds that different birds might make is here at a bird feeding station like the one here at Blue Heron Park. As we stand here, there are black-capped chickadees coming and going. There are white-throated sparrows throughout the area. And there are 3 different species of woodpeckers working the trees. We might hear them and see them coming to the feeders. We have downy woodpeckers and red-bellied woodpeckers and a hairy woodpecker off in the distance. As we sit and listen, we can hear the white-throated sparrows whistling. And just off in this holly, there's a couple of chickadees that have been coming and going to the feeder. Off in the distance, there's an eastern towhee. And just off in this holly, there's a couple of chickadees that have been coming and going to the feeder. There's a house finch at the water feature coming down to take a drink. Again, it's important that we should not interrupt their natural lifestyle. We want to try to avoid. There's a terrific opportunity for a photograph right now, but we would not want to invade their space, invade their time and place. We'll watch from a distance and enjoy from a distance. There's more than a dozen species of sparrows that move through Staten Island on their way to northern breeding grounds. They spend the winter here. Right now we have white-throated sparrow in front of us feeding off the seed on the floor. The downy woodpecker has come back, and there's a red-bellied woodpecker up above. Hopefully that'll come down and join the downy at the feeder. So the white-throated sparrows, they will move north to nest. Here on the island, we have plenty of sparrows that nest on Staten Island. We have song sparrows and swamp sparrows and seaside sparrows and savanna sparrows. The white-throated sparrow, it's close relative to the white-crowned sparrow. They'll move north of here. See, the white-throated sparrow tends to spend most of its time on the ground. Again, it's important not to walk off trail, but rather to stay on the trail to avoid impacting their time and space. The mourning dove is our native species of dove here on Staten Island. The pigeons, rock dove as they're called, those are from Europe. They are not native to Staten Island. They were brought here by Europeans. But the mourning dove was here long before Europeans arrived. Throughout May, as we're enjoying our time in the park, there are 30, 40, 50 different species of birds that are moving through, migrating north up to their nesting grounds. There are a collection of sparrows, there's a collection of warblers, neotropical migrants that move through Staten Island. Great place to enjoy visiting with those birds would be Blue Heron Park or Clove Lakes Park. And again, it's really important that we should stay on the trails. Some of those birds spend their day walking on the floor of the woods. We need not to interrupt their general life cycle. We need not to invade their wild space.